Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete question on Chegg. So if you want to delete a question, there is no direct method to do that. In order to do that, what you have to do is simply submit a request form for the removal of your question. So for that, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply enter this link over here, che.gz/student content request. Search for it. Now you'll be led to the official website of Chegg. From here, you'll be able to submit the question removal request. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, what you have to do is fill in these details. First of all, enter the first name. Now once you do that, enter the last name over here. Now also enter the email address associated with your account. Now over here, you'll be able to see this question: which account do you have with us? Subscribed user, non-account holder. Tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you'll have to specify the reason for this request. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is simply list the URL containing the questions you wish to have removed. So for that, what you have to do is simply visit the official website of Chegg. Go to the question that you would like to remove. For instance, I would like to remove this particular question. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now you'll be able to see the recent URL over here. Tap on this copy icon. Now the URL will be copied. Now what you have to do is simply go back to this tab. Now after you do that, paste that URL over here. You can paste it from the clipboard. Now after you do that, you can also paste other URLs if you want. You can paste up to 5 URLs. If you have additional question URLs you would like removed, you'll be able to upload the document containing the additional URLs over here. For that, tap on this option, select a file, and you'll be able to do so. After you're done, what you have to do is check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now after you verify, tap on this option, submit, that you can see on the screen. Now your identity needs to be confirmed. So what you have to do is simply open the Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Chegg has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email, what you have to do is simply confirm the email. Tap on this option, confirm email, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your request is confirmed. Now Chegg will review your request and contact you shortly. If your request is valid, your question will be deleted. Especially your question will be removed if it contains your personal data or if it violates the policy of Chegg. So like this, you'll be able to remove it. So that is how you delete a question on Chegg. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.